Welcome back to the video. It is currently 3 a.m. today. I'm here at Georgia.
That's
in Cali. And today we're going to squish squishies up to 3 a.m. And we're going to spin one for this dinner because that's all we have right now. We have like 5 fidget spinners, but we're just like too tired to go get them. So
let's
we're
just
in
start.
my dungeon. There's no windows, so I kind of
At all, and there's like a really bright light right there.
And so we just like turn it on.
But trust us, it's 3 a.m.
And this is fake.
Yeah.
We just want to test it, so let's just like start.
I'm gonna start with the cream pie.
I'm gonna start with the cake.
I'm gonna start with the toast. So yeah. Okay, without further ado, let's start into the video.
So this is the cake.
This is the cream pie.
This is the toast. There's
I don't know about this.
Oh my god.
I
guys, that was just a one time.
Yeah, like
that was just a,
I think, and my light's broken, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's running out.
really? What the heck is going on? Strawberry?
How did
What
I
the
end
heck?
up with the strawberry?
You got mine.
What
Wait,
the heck?
how do we have the same one?
Like one of them is super dense, and one of them is like.
She's always had 2 strawberries, but how did we end up with another one? We couldn't.
Oh my god.
That was nothing. That was nothing.
That was just a experimental thing. I took Serena's squishy because.
Okay, let's just
Yeah.
try doing the fidget spinner. 1, 2, 3.
Like, maybe we should put it.
Okay.
The lights keep on flickering. Like,
Yeah. I knew they were broken, but like, why would
what
they?
the heck?
Why would they keep doing that? And how did I end up with the squid? Wait, do you guys hear that?
Yeah, it's like banging. What the heck?
What the heck?
One of the
How
cans,
come that pig?
One of the cans just knocked over. There's. Oh my god.
Happening?
Look, the pig can. The pig can knocked over. How did that happen?
Guys, I think we should leave.
Yeah, I think we should leave the dungeon.
You don't know any. Oh my god! Okay, that concludes the video. Now we're upstairs. Oh my god! Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good night. Good morning. Good morning.